Hi, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you some basic tasks to explain them and explain the vocabulary that goes with them. So the first task we're going to do here today is laundry, okay? You know, everybody's got to do their laundry, okay? Me, I'm going to wash some of my shorts, towel, my t-shirts, my pants, socks, and my underwear. Okay, so come with me while we go out to my washer and I can show you how it's done. Okay, so here we are at the washing machine or washer. Okay, first thing we need to do, open the washer or washer. Now, me personally, I wear a lot of dark clothes like black, blue, gray. So these are my darks, okay? Other times you can have whites, which is like these, but today I'm just washing darks, okay? So now we have to load the washer. Okay. And me, I have a lot of clothes to wash, so I might have to do 2 loads because I haven't done laundry all week. Okay, so we got the washer loaded. Okay, so we can go and close the door. And then the second part here is you gotta turn the machine on. Turn it on. Okay. Next part here, this stuff. Laundry detergent. Simple. Detergent, laundry detergent. Okay, so put your detergent in the washer like that, and then close it up. Find the setting you like to use for your clothes. And push start. Okay, so that should take about an hour for the washing machine to wash them. And whenever it finishes, we'll be right back. Okay, so our laundry has finished washing, and now we're going to take our laundry basket, and we're going to open up the washer and unload everything. Unload. Okay, now that we got everything unloaded, we can put the clothes on the clothesline. Clothesline, okay? So everything can hang up in the sun and get dry. And to do this, you're going to need your clothespins, okay? Clothespins. laundry's done and hung up and it's drying, okay, which shouldn't take too long because there's a lot of sun here, okay. Okay, so now that the clothes have finished drying, now we have to take them off, okay. So we're going to do that, or I'm going to do that, and we'll be right back, okay? Okay, so now I'm back in my house here with my laundry basket, with my laundry, and now I have to fold it, okay? So, you gotta take it out, fold it. This is the boring part of the laundry, okay? So, after you do that, after you fold everything, like from your pants to your shorts to your towels to your underwear, whatever you're washing, okay? Congratulations, you successfully finished your laundry, okay? Okay, so that's the end of that. Thank you for watching this with me. If you want me to explain some more tasks and the process of doing it and a language breakdown, give this a like, leave a comment, and maybe I'll do another task. Bye. Vocabulary: laundry, shorts, towel, t-shirt, pants, socks, underwear, washer, darks, whites, laundry detergent, laundry basket, clothespin, clothesline.